Hi guys, Hillary Ryan here from the Ryan Realty Group and Exp Realty. It's hard to believe it's been 5 months since giving birth to our new daughter, Emily. 2020 has been a very unexpected year for everyone, and staying positive is one of the best things we can all do. I wanted to encourage you to make the most of all this extra time at home and give you some ideas for decluttering your home. Most of us, especially those of us with kids, accumulate loads of clothing, toys, knickknacks, and random stuff we barely ever use, which more often than not takes up precious space in our homes. For those of us thinking to sell after things normalize, decluttering can be very valuable to you. Clutter is different for everyone, but it's usually a collection of stuff lying around your home in an untidy mess. When we have clutter, we have more things to clean, more to organize, and more stress because of it. Ever notice how much more relaxed you are when your home is neat and tidy? It can also make your home feel smaller, and potential buyers will fear their home will also be cluttered. Fortunately, there are plenty of things we can do to declutter and organize our homes. First, you need to identify the problem areas. A great method is to imagine yourself as a visitor who's never been inside your home before. Walk through your home and take pictures of areas and note how tidy and clean it feels and which areas need a little more attention. Next, write down a plan of attack, a decluttering checklist of sorts. If you feel overwhelmed at the scale of the work, you can break the decluttering work into 5-minute segments a day or select one item a day to get rid of. I personally tackle a small job every time the baby goes down for a nap. Or get help from your spouse, a friend, or your kids. My older kids actually love to help organize. Make it fun. Pour yourself a cup of coffee or tea, put on some loud music, and get it done. When I declutter, I find sorting things into 4 piles is helpful. Pile 1 is everyday necessities that need organizing. Pile 2 is less frequently used stuff that might need to be tucked out of sight. And pile 3 is stuff we never use anymore, but someone else might have a use for it. And finally, pile 4 is stuff for the trash. Usually very little actually needs to go in the trash bin. Let's work backwards now through our piles. So the stuff in pile 4 we can just throw away. Easy peasy. Try to recycle as much as you can. The stuff in pile 3 we can donate to a local charity. Right now we have a corner in our basement where we're collecting all the items to donate once all the donation centers open back up. There are also many online forums to sell items such as Garage Sale, Mummy Market, Facebook, and Kijiji. We might want to put stuff from pile 2 into totes in the basement or back into their rightful places, wherever that may be. Pile 1 is stuff you use frequently, so it probably needs to be organized back into your drawers, cupboards, and closets. I like to have lots of stylish bins around my house for those little items the kids like to collect. Clothes always seem to be fighting for space on coat hangers and spots in drawers. If we're doing a purge, we'll try everything to make sure it still fits nicely. If it doesn't, we donate it. We also try to follow the 1-year rule, where if you haven't worn that piece of clothing in a year, you're probably not going to wear it, so just get rid of it. If organizing the little things is tough for you, consider getting some kind of workstation organizers like desk shelves or trays to put those frequently used items away. They usually have lots of compartments for all those random little things. If you want to become more consistent in your organization habits, there are a lot of apps and blogs to help you out, and Instagram and Facebook pages to follow. I also recommend looking at each item you put in your shopping cart and thinking about what pile it's going to end up in. It might just make you put it back on the shelf. With most of us confined to home, now really is a great time to get started making your home feel more good and calm and organized. And for those looking to sell when things normalize, you'll be inviting higher offers, since your space will actually seem bigger and more inviting than it was before decluttering. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Do you have a great technique for decluttering and organizing? Let us know in the comments.